Hi everyone, I want to give you an early 2022 housing outlook for Raleigh, Cary, Durham, and Chapel Hill. I want to tell you what's up and what's down. So let's start with what's down. What's down is active listings. They're down year over year by 47%. And coming soon listings are down also 21%. Versus 2021 to 2022. So pending sales are down by 25%. Closed sales year over year are down by 31%. That's a whole long list of what's down. What does this mean to you if you're a seller? The market is starved for inventory. So if you need to sell, now is the right timing. Beware, if you need to sell and buy now, that's not as easy, but it's doable because your home will likely sell for its highest price. To buyers, the market is starved for inventory, same situation. But house prices and interest rates, if you have the ability to buy and your financing is sound, is a great investment. So what's up? Average resale price is up by 21%. Cash sales are up from 14% to 18%. That means there's more investors, there are more cash buyers in this market, and interest rates are a little up. They're also very fluid, but I think what you're going to see mostly this year is an interest rate around 4% instead of what we saw in the past, which was lower. And what this means to you as a buyer is you can still borrow money at very, very good terms. In other words, an extra $10,000 on a home purchase is only going to cost you about $48 per month. So that means you could actually bid $20,000 more on a house, and that would cost you probably a little bit less than $100 a month to lock in a 20 or 30-year rate. So rents are rising, I've heard and read, anywhere between 10% to 17%, and locking in a house payment is a very good move if you have stable income, project yourself to be in this area for a while. So buyers can pay a higher amount for your home if you're a seller. That's what it means for you. Average sale price in Raleigh is $428,000. Wow, I saw a website recently that had our average sale price at $248,000, which is about $200,000 off actual sales price, which now in Raleigh is $428,000. So when you look at this slide, it shows you all the areas that we serve from Raleigh all the way down to Sanford, and you'll see the different areas have different average prices. And if you're looking for the most house for money, I would suggest you look for the lowest price, average price. Look beyond those numbers, and the market is spread to other markets. We're hearing great things about Goldsboro, about Princeton, about Wilson. The overflow has to go to the outer markets. The two things that cause home sales to drop so far this year, I believe, have been a lack of inventory. We've already got less than 1 month's inventory for this year, and the slight rise in interest rates, which could reduce affordability for some buyers. So when this market stabilizes, fewer sellers could decide to sell, because right now is such a gold mine if you're in the market to sell. But if you're happy with your home, please stay in that home, because real estate is a great, great value. Nothing lasts forever, folks. This timing is good for selling homes right now, but in 2010, 11, 12 years ago, it was a big home buyer market, so nothing lasts forever. If you want to forecast your own housing needs for the next 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years, consider moving right now, because right now is the very best time to put your house on the market. If you look at this slide, there's hope for sellers and hope for buyers, because most of the inventory will come on the market this year in the second quarter of this year, and that means it'll be the hottest traffic time. I've always said that the busiest time that we have for selling homes is right after tax day, which is about April 20th until the second or third week in June. So if you're happy where you are, stay put. Your home is increasing in value, and you've made a great investment. Take care.